Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to get back deleted chats on WhatsApp. So there are a few ways on how to get back deleted chats, but this one I'm going to show you is I think the quickest way or easiest way. So what you want to do first is to exit your WhatsApp application and go to your file folder or file manager. Okay, so you have to look for that or files. Now, once you tap this one, you have to scroll down and look for internal storage. Okay, so you have to click this one here. Now, tap Android. Now, under Android, you have to look for media. Okay, tap this one here. And then you have to look for WhatsApp. Now, once you tap this folder, you should see an option databases. And what you want to do is to copy all of that and then go back to your backup and paste it. So once you paste this one and go back to your WhatsApp application, when you go back to your messages there, you will see the deleted messages. So all you have to do is to copy. Okay, if you see databases here, tap that one, copy all the files, and again, go back to your backup and paste it there. Okay, so that's how simple it is to recover deleted messages on WhatsApp, especially if you don't have a backup or without backup. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.